1, 2, 3, let's switch this up.
So this is what my phone looks like before. It looks pretty boring, so I decided to change it into an aesthetic and record it so that I can post it on my YouTube channel, and I hope this will help you. So the first step is to go to your X theme, and it's available on your XOS phone. This will help you to change your icons the way you want it to be. So I just searched for yellow, and then as you can see here, you will see a lot of different icons that you can choose. So after choosing the design, you can simply click the download and then click apply. You can see a lot of changes here, and my phone looks like prettier than before, so I really like the color. So the next step is to go to your Google Play, and you can just simply search for Magic Widgets. This will help you to add widgets on your phone and make it prettier. So guys, I am not promoting any promotions here, but I can basically say that Magic Widgets will really help you to make your phone more aesthetic by adding some widgets on your phone, and it is super customizable. So the next step here is to open your Pinterest app, and then you can search for yellow aesthetic since it is our theme for today's video, and you can see a lot of pictures that you can choose and download and make it your home screen and lock screen wallpapers. I will be adding some keywords for Pinterest that you can find, and you can download it too. So this is what Magic Widgets look like, and then I just click for image widgets, and I can upload background image for my widgets, and they do have some pictures that are already saved from this app, but also you can choose the pictures that you already downloaded from Pinterest. So as you can see here, my apps are organized now. I didn't add this on my video because I also accidentally deleted it, but I can explain to you guys what I did. So I just simply put my apps on main home screen, wherein those apps are the apps that I usually use for everyday, like messengers, Facebook, or other social media apps. And then on the next page is my school things like Google Meet, Google Classrooms, and other apps that I use for school. After adding some image widget on my phone, I am going to add some widgets like YouTube Music widgets. I just simply long press my phone, my background phone, and then I add some widgets on it like this Google widget and my YouTube Music widgets. So the next widgets that we are going to add is called the task list widgets. It will help me to increase my productivity so that I can see my to-do list every day that I open my phone. I just simply look at my widgets and then I know what I need to do. So I am adding the task name and the schedule of the task that I have to do during that day. Magic Widgets is customizable and you can also change the fonts that you are using or even the color of the background of your widgets. You can use Magic Widgets as a premium, you have to pay, but you can also use it freely if you don't want to pay. So this is what my phone looks like after adding some widgets and changing some features on my phone, and it really looks so yellow and I like the output. So the next thing that I am going to do is to change the color of my keyboard, and it's simple, just follow the thing that I am going to do. So this is what my phone looks like after changing it, and I am really shocked by the results. So hey guys, this is me, and I just want to say thank you for watching this video and thank you for supporting me, and I would really appreciate if you subscribe. And I just want to say also that I made this video editing at midnight. So that's all, and good night.